what's up, you guys? It's your man's Bumbby back again with another good old YouTube video. We're doing a cooking with Bumbby here. We got Greg, we got Ryan and Connor, and we got Zach over here. Today we're gonna make a lettuce, tomato, onion, ranch. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Ketchup, a little bit of pasta, some Coke.
Oh.
Hold on, I'm recording.
We're busy.
Video. Need some of this salad on.
Quiet on set. You didn't use the spoon.
Quiet on set.
Maybe some grapes too, guys. Oh, sorry, Greg.
Don't worry. Hey, you know what? The PA will get that.
Sorry about that, Gracie.
Yeah, the
Some Gatorade.
Go this way. Come on.
And now we just need to mix it around.
Ew.
Take a bite, you won't.
Thanks for watching, you guys.
Wait, you
Have a
gotta
nice
eat
day.
it. What's the taste test?
No, that's the end.
Taste the tummy for you.
I